What's up, y'all? Hope you're doing well. It is the Saturday after Halloween. Hopefully you guys had an amazing time handing out candy and dominating those neighborhoods. But hey, listen, unfortunately I wasn't able to hand out Halloween candy. My son is the kicker for the high school team, and so we had a game last night, and it was an awesome game. We actually were playing for a conference championship for the first time in I think about 15 years, which was just incredible. Unfortunately, we lost. The team that we lost to was from the mountains, and those guys are just really, really good. They're actually undefeated for the year. We played hard, we fought hard. It was an awesome game. We're gonna still make it to the playoffs, so if you wanna follow along, make sure you subscribe to my Instagram page. I'll make sure and post some stuff there. But it was 30 degrees when I woke up this morning, and that kind of got me motivated to wanna kind of get some things done around the house, some weekend projects. Changed the oil on the lawnmower. I changed the oil on my generator earlier today. And then that kind of got me thinking about putting stuff away for the year. Like how do we store our grass seed that we have left over? What do we do with any bags of fertilizer that we might have left over? Herbicides, our backpack sprayer, like what do we need to do to make sure that when we go into next spring, we're ready to rock and roll? So we're going to talk about that, and then I'm also going to show you guys the lawn. I want to walk you around, show you how things are looking. So if you want to follow along, make sure you hit that like button, consider subscribing to the channel. Let's get into it. All right, so if you remember back, we had some bent grass that we ended up killing right here, and that has now all but just about filled in. Still really, really small baby grass, but is looking really, really good. So this is the side lawn. We take you over here. If you guys remember, we replaced the head to our sprinkler over here in this corner, and that has been fixed. You can see it's all filled in, looking really, really good. And then this is what we call the main stage, and it is looking really, really nice. We did take a little bit of damage with some fungus right here in the corner. That has all filled in. All down this strip right here has really filled in and doing really well. I've still got about one more application that I'm gonna do of fertilizer before I call it quits for the year. These trees are just gorgeous. Leaves are starting to fall. Most of them have fallen out of this tree, but I mean, look at these two beautiful maple trees, just gorgeous. But lawn looks good, super healthy, super thick, loving it. This is the best time of year. You know, right when I think about changing from a cool season to a warm season lawn, this is what happens, and it just reminds me how much I love this grass type. Just gorgeous. We also had another spot over here. It's kind of hard to tell. That was bent grass as well. Oh, yeah, it's right here. Again, kind of hard to tell, but this spot right here was all bent grass. We killed that as well, and that has all filled in. Still, again, really baby grass. This will continue to thicken up even into next spring. But to give you guys a pan shot of the lawn, looking really, really good. And then over here, this area down here, remember we had where all that nutsedge was, and now that damage from the nutsedge, it has all filled in and repaired itself. Sorry for the shadows, kind of hard to see. Let's see if I can back it up, show you guys. And that is looking good. Of course, got the mower out. I was mowing, not mowing. I washed the mower, I changed the oil, like I told you earlier. And so that is out and all wet. All right, so let's talk for a second about backpack sprayers. You certainly don't want to leave anything inside your tank. Make sure it's empty. Pull out the battery like that, and then put it on a charger. You don't want to store the battery outside, so make sure you bring it in. Of course, this is a little garage area underneath in my basement, but if you have a shed, you don't want to leave your sprayer out there, because if you do end up getting water inside any of these little hoses or anything and it freezes, it could potentially bust. Just do your best to get as much water out as you can. Of course, I wash all my equipment. I change the spark plugs. I put fuel stabilizer in it actually. Put Sta-Bil in it. Actually, I start putting that in. I put that in my gas tank so that the last month or so that I'm mowing, I make sure I have that in the system. So again, wash, got Sta-Bil in all the fuel lines. Fertilizer, what I'm gonna do, normally I kind of stack up my fertilizer here on the ground. I'm actually gonna get this up and I'm gonna put it over here on this shelf because I don't like it sitting on the ground. If it were to snow and the kids were to track in through here, I don't want this to get all wet, so I wanna get it up off the ground. Grass seed is something else. Of course, we can always store our grass seed, but the main component here is we want to make sure and keep that away from moisture. So I've got this little tote that I'm going to put my grass seed in, and that'll go in the shelf. So we'll store that in there. Really, really easy. The chemicals and things, of course, again, don't store those outside. We want to put those inside. We're worried about freezing here. We don't want any of this stuff to freeze. So I've got it here in my little room in here again, but if you've got a shed, you probably want to bring those inside and put them in your garage. And then really the last thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of pull everything out of this little room, out of my shed, if you will, and I'm gonna get all the grass, all the leaves, all the stuff out of it to clean it up. Again, we wanna be ready to go so that when spring rolls around, everything is ready to rock and roll. But listen, hope you guys have an amazing day. Again, a really short video. Just wanna give you guys some tips on some things that I'm doing that you probably need to be thinking about doing in the next several weeks. Thank you so much for checking out the video. If you have a question about anything that I said or wanna talk about your lawn, do it down below. And make sure you join my private Facebook page too. As we go into winter, we're gonna need to keep each other company because it's gonna get pretty lonely when we don't have anything to do in the lawn. My name is Devin, I'm the DIY Lawn Coach. I can't wait to see you in the lawn. Peace.